I have a few minor maintenance things to do on the Miata today. The first one is this. So this is a bumper brace. Mine were secured with zip ties and they've popped off and they just kind of flop under my bumper now and rub on my tires. So I'm gonna bolt them into place and get those where they should be. This is easy enough. The brace comes from this bolt and then it just comes down and meets right back here. So it'll eventually look something like this. Like that, and then it braces up against here. So here he was using kind of hanger screws to put the bottom lip on. I'm just gonna drill through it and make an actual bolt to put it on. Pretty easy. Just got some bolts, put it in. Now it's solid. Good job.